Today, we're leveling up a bit and adding something super fun, a ground to walk on and a player cube that you can actually move around. First, let's talk about the ground and the player. We created a ground using a plane model and scaled it up so it's nice and big. Then, we added a texture to make it look like a proper surface, and we adjusted the texture scale so it repeats nicely across the ground. Pretty cool, right? Next, we created our player, a cube with a bright lime color so it stands out. We stretched it a little along the y-axis so it looks taller, and we positioned it right above the ground. If we run the code now, we'll see the ground and our player cube sitting on top of it. But wait, the player is just sitting there, looking cute, but completely still. Now comes the fun part, moving the player. We use an update function that runs every frame. First, we set a speed, and then we check for key presses. If you press W, the player moves forward, S moves backward, A moves left, and D moves right. And the best part, the movement is smooth because we multiply the speed by the time delta, so it's consistent no matter the frame rate. Let's run it and see it in action. Check this out. You can now walk your cube around the ground using the keyboard. How awesome is that? From a static cube to a player you can actually control, this is where the magic of Ursina really shines. And that's it for today. In the next video, we'll continue building on this, adding more features and making our little world even more interactive. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.